Welcome back, solo gamers. This is Rico again of Solo Board Gamer ng Tondo. Okay, on the last one that we have left, the part 1, we have this kind of setup. So there are 3 minions, 1 minion in each hero. This happened because when Iron Man, the first stage has been defeated, and now we're tackling his second stage, which much more has 2 attack, and of course the same if when he gets some ornaments or technical upgrades, his scheme goes stronger. And the worst thing, mostly has top status card that you need to hit them twice at least, actually, yeah, twice to damage them. So the first player will be Holkin. So right now threat is not good, it's almost 13. We have a threshold of set 21. So my plan is to use the impersonation. Okay, so I use this one. I will ask Nick Fury to use a health carrier and choose me to have this discount. So I will cast this impersonation to remove 4 threat. Okay. And then I'll think I'll stay as Hulkin for now because yeah, I'll stay Hulkin for now, or I can set him to alter ego. So in alter ego, you can move one ship shifter back to you can after search your deck and discard pile for a shapeshifter upgrade and put it to my hand. Okay. Mm, I think I will do this later. So I will have 6 cards on my hand later. Or I can have it now. Yeah. And draw 4 later. Then get another upgrade. So that will have 6. Okay. Next. And then alter ego action. Exhaust Altman Renegade. Heal 2 damage from Teddy Atman and shuffle 1 hulking card from this card pile to. So he will now have 12. And I will shuffle 1 hulking card. I'll choose impersonation again. If ever the player cards is defeated, I will take 1 encounter card as penalty. Okay. Now let's go to here. So I will use I will use this one and this one to deal damage to Hellcat because she is now 5. That's 2. When spell attack. Ah, this deals 1 more damage. I thought this is a I don't like this. Well, okay. That's 5 damage. After the player phase begins, heal 12 damage. I forgot his healing factor. So, he will have 2 damage healed. Haha. After the player phase begin, this is always 2 damage. So, this is defeated. Okay. I will attack 1 minion here to remove his tough status. Okay. And then that's okay. Nick Fury. I will cast first impede. This will return to me, but removing 3 threats. Then I will cast I will cast this, or yeah, to exhaust thwart event. So now I will extend his thwart to from 21 to 25. Okay, that's 25 for now. I will attack this using one more upgrade, so that will, I think, two more. This will become assault. So 2 damage. This is already killed. Bye bye. Then change to, I will change to this one. Heal to. Okay. Now, refresh cards. I will have 4 more here. This is not good with Hulkin. Okay. Wolverine. Okay. We'll have 4 cards again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Nick Fury will have 6 cards. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And refresh all of this. Okay. So that ends the player phase. Now let's go back to the villain phase. So that's 3 plus 1. He will attack. He will scheme. So that's 1 scheme plus 3. So that's 3 schemes. So this is 5. Next one. He will attack. I will defend. That's 2 plus. Place 1 threat on the main scheme. So nothing happens. So we have now 14. This will attack me. That will be 2. He will scheme. Plan plus nothing. When revealed, place 2 threats on each scheme. Another 2 threats. So this will become 18. No. 2 threats only. Yeah. That's 17. Okay. 1 card, 1 card, another card. First encounter. Oh. Here we come. Okay. Next is a treachery. So add 1 here. Because it says there, when a player reveals 1 treachery, place 1 threat here. Only once per phase. So what's it? When revealed, resolve when revealed ability of each minion play. When revealed, deal 1 damage to your identity. Another damage. The Mighty Avengers. Okay, attachment. Chug. Okay, so this is getting harder and harder than I thought. Begin of flare space. I get now 8. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, I tell this one to remove his top status. Yes. And then I think I'll have the Berserker Barrage. I need one more. Well, can you Helicarrier? So Lightning Strike. Deal 8 damage to an enemy. But the clause is not in play. I think I have no choice. So that ends my turn. Okay, Wolverine stays at his hero point because he's always healing. Nick Fury exhausts this one to add one here threat. And then Nick Fury again alive. Okay. I cast this one to have this intuition. So when I thwart, that will be 3. I'll cast this upgrade. I have none. I have nothing to do. Okay, let's go with this guy. I have this one to exhaust to heal 2 damage again. Heal 2 damage from Teddy and shuffle Hulking card to their deck. 1 Hulking. Okay, and then shape changer action, search your deck and discard file for a shape upgrade. Add it to my hand. I add this to my hand. And then this one will be added to this one. Then I'll thwart to remove this. Then I'll then I use this one. I'll pay for this one for shape shifting. So again, that's removed for now. I'm ready. Okay, so I'll cast this event. That will be removing 4 threats. 4 minus 1. Since I cast a event, that will be removed again 2. And then I thwart for 1. But the problem is right now. Wait, I need to remove some of his items there. Hmm. Okay, I remove this one. Yep, stun. Then instead of impersonation is 4. Yeah, because these are dangerous. Okay, so I cast these two to have that. Okay, then I'll attack to remove his top status, and he retaliates to me. So that will have -1. Wait, forgot to return back the 2. Yeah. So let's go with 15. Yep. And remove this 2. Yep. Attack and remove this 2. Yep. It's very bloody. But I need to remove some of his equipment. Those are pretty dangerous for now. Refresh cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here 4. Then here 5. Okay. Okay. When an enemy okay, so it's finished. Okay, so the enemy will scheme, but only 1 will come, 3 will be removed. I'll use preparation. When an enemy would be placed on the main screen, discard, counter, prevent 3 of that. So that was prevented. Now, he will attack Wolverine. I forgot this one. I will accept the attack. That is only 2 plus... Oh, that's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's very... it's very masakit. Scheme, that's 1 plus... Oh, 3. That's 4 again. So 1 here, 3 there. So we have already 18, 19. So little more. Here, he will attack. I'm going to defense. Mm-hmm. I'll just defend, and that's okay. How many? So that's 2 plus 2, 4. I'll take 3. No. 2. Only 2. 1, 2. Okay. So that's finished. Then first encounter, that will be plus 1 for the enemy. You're ready on 20. When revealed, discard the top 4 cards of your deck for each. 1, 2, 3, 4. Deal 1 damage. Okay, only 1. It's getting harder and harder, my friends. Next. Ha. So this is 6. I could not anymore. It's getting harder and harder, guys. This will go baby yan. The enemy team discards attachment from your leader. Or else discard an upgrade I control. Upgrade. Okay. And that's it. This will add. I don't think I could able to withstand that one. However, I will scheme. Moving 3. I can't do anything. And then I will play this 4. So Avengers will or I could retain Gambit on my side. No. That's 4 is okay. And I think that will be okay for now. Since I'm scheming, place 1 on my threat. I always forgot this one. Yeah. Okay, let's go to here. I will use one, two, three upgrades to cast this one, and then I exhaust that. I will have now this upgrade, so my defense is much more stronger. Okay. Technically, I can't do anything right now. Okay, so let's go with Wolverine. I'll use this Avengers. Exhaust, Avenger, choose a player. So that will be 1 card for me. And then, since I cannot do anything today, I'll use this one. To aggressive energy and Clover. That will be 4 damage to Iron Man. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Clover will return to me. And then Jubilee. I will cast Jubilee. After Jubilee enter play, choose an enemy until the end of the play. I'll choose Iron Man. So when we make a basic attack against Iron Man, I'll make a basic attack. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. I attack also. That's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, I will clover that guy. 2. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. Then, I'll change form. Or, 1, 2, 3. I'll clover this guy. Then, I'll change form. Not so bad and not so good. Now, refresh. 2 encounters coming on my way. Additional encounters. Because this is already exhausted. That will be additional encounter. And we will shuffle this 1, 2. This is the problem if your cards are only 40. You tend to shuffle. Okay. Then I have 1, 2. That's again another encounter for me. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have slice and dice. I think I need to attack today. Okay, so has 5. I forgot to remove the exhaust tokens. Okay, player phase, finish. 4. Okay, that's 4. I can't do anything about it. Scheme. So he will scheme. So that's enough. 2. One of that will go here. 25. So it says here. Next one. Pro registration tactics. Iron Man and his Avengers are ordered to apprehend any superhero individuals who refuse to register with SHIELD. That includes former teammates such as Captain America and Spider-Woman. Now, reduce the target threat value of this scheme by 1 for each face-down card under it. After an ally is defeated by enemy attack, place that ally face down under this scheme. Okay. So, attach this. Okay, so it doesn't say it's been removed. So, again, that's 9, 18, 27. 9, 18, 27 plus 4, 31. So, that's the first scheme. Attack. I could use defense. I forgot to get another card. Defense. I will have 1, 2, 3 defense. Nothing happened. Scheme. He has 1, 3 schemes, and that's it. Encounter. Let's go with the first one. So it attaches card to menu order leader. So this is life model decoy. Okay, this is getting harder and harder. Oh, attachment. Exhaust Logan. Remove past demons from the game. Okay. Discard. No. So this will be removed. Logan was exhausted. Do I have a heal here? Let's remove. I hope I survive. Let's compute. This is 10. 18. Not good. Okay. Next is Logan. When revealed, each minion activates against the player it's engaged with. Otherwise, the enemy leader activates against you. Don't get the boost cards. So, another scheme. Beno attacks gains when Beno attacks your leader, activates against me again. So, one scheme. So that's 4. Okay, now let's go here. Okay, I play this one. Okay. I use this one to play that. So, when after defeated the enemy during the villain phase, exhaust this card. Hell Carrier, please. So, I'll cast Wishka Shapeshifter. Deal 5 damage. This is destroyed. And then, can you give me Avengers Mansion? Is that okay? 2 threats from the scheme. Okay, so what's the meaning of this? I forgot. The meaning of that is I could not remove. Well, I could not. Only can. This is not good. 3. Come 1. That's an event. Exhaust Wing. After I played. Okay. I could deal 5 more damage. Can you give me Avengers Mansion? This is 5 more. I'll cast this. 2. So 5 damage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this is exhausted. I'll change form. Exhaust this one. That's 2. And then set your deck for discard for Shapeshifter Fire Grade and put it to my hand. Will I do that? No. Shuffle 1 Hulkin card. Yeah, this is already used. Okay, this is already exhaust this because I played a bit a while ago. So I'll remove 2 here. And next, Logan. Cast. So I forgot to have his damage. He has this a while ago. And use it again to remove threat. Hmm. No, 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 no. Wait, wait, wait. Okay, so this was removed to there because I could not remove to here. Now, when defeated, shuffle each Avenger minion encounter discard pile. Encounter minion. Avenger encounter minion. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this is good because it's make your deck. Okay. Wolverine. Mm-hmm. Let's do this. So what will I do if I cast this one? It'll come back to me. Or I could cast this tree. I cast this tree. Have the X jet. Then use it to cast Clover. That will deal 3 damage to you. 1, 2, 3. 29. And that's okay. Remove 1 thwart. Nick Fury, thwart. Yeah. To remove 3. Oh! I have now the car. That's good. This is now the car. Okay. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 32. I forgot this one. And then how can I remove that one? Okay, I think I can't do anything about it. Hell no. Wait. Let's have this one. Okay. I cast this one to have this. Okay. Then I remove 2 here to cast this. So that will be exhausted. Okay. I could attack. Okay, let's do this. I'll exhaust, remove 1 threat, and I'll attack, change to assault form, then I'll use all of that to attack this guy. So that will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be 28. I'll change form to 4. Then I'll use safe house to make this to 1. Then this change to. Okay. Okay. Now Iron Man. Okay. So now is refresh time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's do it later. This will have 5 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then Nick Fury will have 6. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, be good cards. These are all attack. Okay, so let's remove all of this. Now let me compute what will happen. Eight. Only 16. Not much good. Not much good, not much bad either. But the best thing, I will have extra mana. And also, he has extra mana also. Okay, so that's all. So, scheme. He has 2 scheme right now because of this one. Scheme verse is 1, 2. You are stunned. Two scheme. I'll defend. That's 1, 2, 3. Minus 1 only. Place 1 threat on the main scheme. That's another threat. That's 3. Okay. I forgot to put him one more. Okay, let's go with that one. Scheme. That's 2, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, that's already 12. And now, for the best part, let's see. Minion. Guard. When the individual are confused. If you're already confused, place 2 threats on the main screen. Oh! That is nasty. Alright, 2. When revealed, the enemy team search the encounter deck. Okay, so Maria Hill will come here. There was a wrong move that I done. There's no enemy team. When revealed, Alter Ego discard gain search. When revealed, Alter Ego Iron Man scheme. Iron Man scheme. So you are confused. I'm confused. So he schemed. That's 2 plus. That's 4 again. That's 18. Already. Discard upgrade or support your control. Discard an upgrade or support that I control. I want to discard this one. That's okay. That's finished. So let's go. Heal to. I'll pay this and use the X-Jet to use Clobber. No. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 uppercut to kill this Maria Hill. Technically, I cannot do anything. But I can sacrifice this one. I can sacrifice this. Okay, just give me Hellraiser. Hell Carrier. Just to remove 3. And that's it for me. Okay, let's do this. 3 to 2. So 1 threat for here. Okay. So what? I'm gonna use this one. To what? Remove 2 threats. That's 3. Then if you instead you may place those threat on my. Okay. Okay. Use this one to have 2 mana. Maria Hill again. I choose that player, so he will deal 3 damage to his minion, and then 3 damage to the enemy. Another one. I'll attack. 2 damage. I'll pay for that one to be removed. Those attachments are crazy actually. Technically, they're very, very crazy. Okay, last player. I'll use Avengers Mansion to draw one. Okay, shuffle one Hulkin card. I'll shuffle this one Hulkin card. I'll cast this one. I forgot, this will have 13 already. Cast this one. Then I'll use this action, search my, to put it to my hand again. And then transform. Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, this is I will do. I'll cast this. No. Queen Jet Selector. Okay, so I have one more. Deal 5 damage to this guy. Fuck! So he already killed. Since I use a threat, when I use exhaust the wing, I'll exhaust this one. Remove 2 threats here. That's one. And then I forgot. I'll attack first, just to remove the stun. I'll attack to remove the stun. And then I'll cast this one. So I was exhausted. I'll cast this one. I've defeated the enemy, so I'll exhaust that card. Wait. Let me have these two back. Okay. I'll cast this card. Now I'll have this will be removed. Come back here. So now, because it was shape upgrade come into play, then this is ready Hulkin. Okay, so now I attack. So that's 1 plus 2. That equals to 3. 20 now. Getting harder and harder. Again, I thought that will all. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5. Wolverine will have this one. Coulson, Nick Fury. Hmm, I don't think Iron Man will be killed next round. I have not much card for attack. It's much more on preparation. Okay. Okay, so that's 4. Oh, okay, 5. Uh-huh. So, enemy phase. I think we'll have a part 3. Part 3 video after the villain. Enemy. Scheme 4. He will attack Wolverine. Defense. That's 2 plus 4. Got only 1. 2. Okay. Scheme instead. That's have a 1 plus 2. It's scheme only 1, 2. Okay, next defense. I will go with defense. So I will play this card. I'll play with this upgrade. Pay for that one. This upgrade. So defense when enemy attacks deal damage equal their defense. So I'll deal damage. My defense is 1, 2. 1, 2. My defense is 3. So deal damage 1, 2, 3. Is that correct? 1, 2, 3 defense. And he will attack me for 2 plus 4. But fortunately, when I have this one, top status, okay, 4, an attack is pierced to me, the top status is removed. After this attack, give the whole king of top status card. Oh no! I will take the damage again. This will not work. Then I'll have the top status card. Okay. Now, encounter phase. So the hero attacks me again. What should I do? I think I will Nick Fury, since he's ready, will defend. So that will be 2. We will discard. Nick Fury will get the damage. Mm-hmm. Five damage. Next is this guy. A minion again. Toughness. Give an enemy their top status card. Oh, that's not good. Another. And the place one threat on the main screen for each minion in play. Otherwise, this each minion. So 3. Okay. I think. Okay. I think we stop for now for this session. Let's take a break and we get back. Let's see what will happen on the next. So right now, it's not again too good or too bad. And so still the main scheme is not good. Well, 13, that can be that. Now, Iron Man technically has 18, 19, 23 life because of that upgrade. Okay, so we take a break for now. Let's come back later. And again, this is Rico of Solo Board Gaming of Tondo saying goodbye for now.